On the internet you will often hear two very different stories. Some people say you're either born rich or you're not, and there's almost nothing you can do about it. While others insist you can build your own fortune through smart decisions, discipline and hard work. So, who's right? Everybody wants financial freedom. We all want the peace of mind of not worrying about every bill. And yes, we all love the idea of having a bit more comfort in our lives. And while there are plenty of financial gurus online selling courses or showing you a perfectly polished roadmap, I want to do something different. I want to document the raw, real process of going from zero to financial freedom. No shortcuts, just a regular guy seeing how far he can go. Before we start, here's a bit about me. I'm just an ordinary person from a small European country with an average job and an average income. Nothing glamorous. But before we continue, what does financial freedom even mean? For me, it means I can no longer worry about having a job to pay my bills. Meaning, I would need to get this money passively through investments. So, how do we get there? Currently, I cannot just start getting passive income. At least not in the amount that would change my life. I don't have a huge amount of money sitting around, and I have a mortgage I would like to repay as fast as possible. That means I need to build new income streams in my spare time after work. This would take additional efforts, and it won't be passive at first. I'm starting with 3 simple methods which I named: the foundation stream, the skill stream, and the platform. Let me explain each and I'll give you what I'll do as an example. The foundation stream. This is the income stream that grows slowly in the background. It requires the least amount of time, but it takes the most money for it to work. Here you can think about investments into stocks, ETFs, index funds, crypto, real estate, and also savings account fall under this. For me personally, I'll first pay all my living expenses that are crucial for basic survival. Then from the money I have left, I'll transfer some of it to my savings account to use it to repay my mortgage, and some portion of it to the trading platform where I will buy stocks or an ETF. I already have some experience with investing as I started back in 2020, and although I sold most of my portfolio because of refinancing, the experience I gained will help me rebuild the portfolio. I'll also share all my purchases with all of you who will watch the videos. The skill stream. This is the income stream that comes from your personal abilities, your talent, your skills. It might not make you rich instantly, but it's something you already know how to do. So it's easiest way to start and leverage your knowledge. This income stream will take you more time than a previous one, but depending on your set of skills, it could be money free to start. For me, this is photography. I already have a camera and uploading pictures and videos for sale only takes my time. I've already done this in the COVID time and earn a little extra each month. It's not life-changing, but it's a real example of how a skill can become a small income stream that can be then used to fuel the foundation stream. Here, just think about what you're passionate about and what you're good at. And then you can just Google it how to make money from it. A few examples are: artists can sell prints, musicians can license songs or teach online, fitness lovers can offer training plans, and so on. And this brings us to the last stream, the platform stream. This is where you leverage the social platforms that can create massive opportunities. It's slow at first, but becomes incredibly powerful once momentum starts. Just look at all the people here on YouTube, Instagram or TikTok. I would say this one takes the most amount of time and you can start for free as well. For me, this is YouTube, and you're watching me now trying to build this stream. I believe this is the stream you should try and build. It's absolutely hard, but it does have the biggest potential to get you the most money with the least invested and for the least risk from all 3 streams mentioned. These aren't groundbreaking ideas, and that's exactly the point. But if you're thinking that all of this has already been done, think again. Because if that was really the case, then why do we get new faces on social media to watch and enjoy? Just remember, stay realistic, set a clear, smart, achievable goal, and if you don't know what a SMART goal is, don't worry. That's exactly what I explained in this video. Again, anyone can start this. You don't need special connections or expensive courses. You just need consistency and the willingness to try. So if you're ready to watch the journey from the very beginning and maybe start your own, hit that subscribe button and let's take the first steps together. And I'll see you in another video.